Kuyenzeka ufound a company, create a company, create a product or a service that can be sold, create a company. But uthole ukuthi you do not have a qualification ne-experience ukuthi uyirane leyo company, uyikhulise, upscale, uziyenze ibe yi-success. Kuyenzeka uthole ukuthi kwi-management ye-company, among all the managers, akekho noyedwa kubona oyi-founder, but they were all acquired. Yabo? Ngoba phela uma ngabe ufuna uqala ikhampani, uqala ibhizinisi, ufuna liphumelele, vele uzobheka abantu abanekhono nolwazi lokuthi le company ikhuliswa kanjani ize ibe ikhampani ephumelelayo. Yabo? Umehluko ke awukho nakwipolitiki, awukho umehluko nakwipolitiki. Ngiya kule yalama members lawa eMK aneyinkonondo neyinsanando ngokuthi kufika abantu who were not there ngesikhathi iqala uMK, kufika abantu isikakhulukazi emva kokhetho, kwafika uFloyd wathola isikhundla, kwafika nabanye ngibala kubona abobabuyile Mchunu, ngibala kubona abomama uMkhwebane, bakhona ke nabanye, but abafike banikezwa izikhundla bese kuba khona into kwabanye bethu members of MK ethi awu labantu laba sebenikezwa izikhundla kanjani ngoba phela ithina sasikade sizabalaza. Bese futhi kukhulume kakhulu abantu abangona nje nanomkhonto wesizwe ukuthi hayi iyabheda lento yara bafowethu. Khona insizwa ekeyenza ivideo la ibuza ukuthi yasiyachaza yathi yona kumele ubheke kahle kahle ukuthi yini le labantu abanikezwe izikhundla abeza nayo qala, ngoba phela nikhumbule ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe nje uqaliwe nje uyakhuliswa, uyabunjwa. Uyabona? Ngake ngathi ngelinye ilanga akekho umuntu one experience of creating a political party as ize ikhuliswe to the level of EFF than uFloyd Shivambu. Ngakusho lokho kuyiqiniso futhi ngempela uma ngabe uthi wena uFloyd bengamela abekwe laphayana ekubene namava enesipiliyoni enama qualifications and the skills to nurture a political organization, ngabe ngempela into oyenzayo awuyazi. Ngithi mina asimusa lento ukuyicabanga ngenhliziyo. Yabo? Ngoba phela at the end of the day njengoba nje thina hlezi sisho sithi thina sizelanga ama positions MK, we are here to contribute, and if you are here to contribute you follow the chain of command. Uma ngabe ucommander ethi nansi direction, wena as a member who is here to contribute awulokhu uthi hayi bekumele ubeke mina ayizosebenza kanjalo. So ngithi mina ama MK amahle asimusa ukubulala into yethu, asimusa ukuba nenhliziyo engaphandle, sibe power hungry, ngoba umbuzo uthi mase sinikezwe lezo izikhundla sizozenzani. Uma ngase unikeze mina isikhundla nje kweMK ngizokwenzani mina? Because I've never run a political party. I can't command any constituents. I don't command any constituents. Kanti phela kwi-political party you need abantu with enough political capital. Yabo? Lento ifana nani lento? Ifana nokuthi for example uJabulani Khumalo wake waqophisana no Commander in Chief Jacob Zuma ngokuthi uJabulani Khumalo uthi uyena wayefounder ye-MK, therefore kumele kube uyena leader. But thina we know ukuthi thina sijoin umkhonto wesizwe because of its attachment and relationship with Jacob Zuma. Without Jacob Zuma iningi letlali ngelize lujoin umkhonto wesizwe. So how do you reduce the value that Jacob Zuma is bringing to the uyi-equate nani nokuthi uJabulani Khumalo is one of the founding members of MK? It doesn't work like that. The same goes for laba asebethathu MK. Kuthiwa khona isonto thizeni thathu MK lisenkantolo lithi uJacob Zuma hijacked iproject kanti kwabo yamakhosi na befundisi nana. Those are not politicians, and without Jacob Zuma without Jacob Zuma, Umkhonto weSizwe was not going to go to get 15% nationally. Umkhonto weSizwe was not going to get 45% la KZN, and was not going to do anything anywhere else that it was able to do. Yabo. So ngithi mina ba MK hlisani nje umoya. Asimusa abafowethu ukubulala uMK ekubeni usakhiwa. Lento esibangayo njengamanje akumele izeleze, yabo, izeleze. Yabo. So ayikabi emakhomanda kodwa khona asimusa ukuba power hungry, asimusa ukuba nogovani. Siyazi ke vela abaningi benu bazobelwa kakhulu ngo-2026 ngoba phela kuze ukhetho lohulumeni basekhaya, kodwa siyawukhuza ke thina lo moya nalo mkhumbuthi kahleni ma-MK amahle, ehlisani imoya, bukani into yenu ikhula, icheleleni ngoba phela ukuthi awusitholanga isikhundla kulokhu akusho ukuthi kohlezi kunjalo. Mhlawumbe in 10 years time, in 20 years time, mhlawumbe kobe sekuwena ususa esikhundleni, ngeke futhi sikubangise thina esingafune izikhundla. But kodwa ukuthi wena wawukho, nathi sasikhona nathi from the 16th of December last year. We were there, we joined to MK there and then, but asokuthatha lokho sikusebenzise uku-oppose noku-undermine ama-decisions athathwa yini ilokhuzana high command, i-national high command, ngoba thina siyayazi into ye-democratic centralism ukuthi isebenza kanjani. Angeke-ke sithi ngoba nakho izinto ayisahambi ngendlela thina sizohamba ngayo bese siyaqala manje sesiyabhekula-ke manje sesikhahlela kwasani. Hayi bafowethu, hayi musu kwenzeka loo nto leyo, siyayikhuza loo nto leyo ma-MK amahle. Sisekhona sewu-MK thina futhi sohlezi nje sikhona, asizile ngayikhundla, sayizela, asibizwanga. We are here to contribute. If your contribution ukuthi uvophela, that is enough contribution. Akekho umuntu entitled to anything la. Sonke siyayazi into ye-democratic centralism ukuthi isebenza kanjani. Once the decision has been taken by the National High Command, that decision is binding on all members. Laba abasuke bona-ke sebetoyitoya-ke besibukanisa nabantu-ke manje sekumele thina sidefende-ke manje ukuthi khona ama-members e-MK alwayo aphikisana nokuthi MK kunefe ngenxa nje yabantu. Awu kahleni nina bo, kahleni nina bo, hayi bo, siyakhuza njalo ma-MK.